How to save your Instagram Reels to your gallery on iPhone. So let's say you have Instagram Reels that you had on your phone, but you got rid of them, you deleted them after uploading to Instagram, and you wanted to re-download them again. There's two things to do. So one thing is to go to Instagram, and you can go ahead and post a reel. So I'm just going to makeshift it here. And so I could choose a reel here, but what you want to do before you hit the reel button is go to the gear icon at the top right hand corner. And what you're going to do is go into the Reels camera settings here, and you can toggle on Save Reels to device. So from this point forward, any reel that you record, it will automatically save to your device. That way you basically have a copy of it. So after you did that, we can go back here and go ahead and hit done. And we can X out of the Reels and go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner, and that way you can see all of your stuff here. So from here, to download one of your own Reels, go to a reel.
Leave magic.
I'm just going to pause that, and you can go to the airplane button or the share button at the bottom right hand corner here, and you'll get the option to download. So now the reel is downloading, and once the download is done, it will appear in your galleries. Once it's done downloading, you'll get the notification, and just to see that it's there, we'll come out of Instagram, go to your photos, and you'll see it right here. And that's it. That's how you would go about downloading your Instagram Reels to your gallery.